Hello everyone, this is Harapriya. Welcome to our online class and YouTube channel of Vishwakarma Competitive Point. Today we are going to discuss about current affair from 10th October to 20th October. I hope you all watch the video completely and till to the end. First we will discuss about day and dates of October. 11th October celebrated as International Girl Child Day. It is also a day to highlight the girls' need and the particular problem they can face. Also, it will celebrate the importance of power and potential of girls around the world. Theme of 2020 International Girl Child Day is My Voice, Our Equal Future. Next, 13th October celebrated as UN International Day for National Disaster Reduction. The day celebrates how people and communities around the world are reducing their exposure to disaster and raising awareness. 15th October celebrated as World White Cane Day. The day celebrates the achievement of blind or visually impaired people. Theme of 2020 World White Cane Day is Our Mark of Independence. 16th October celebrated as World Food Day. The theme of World Food Day 2020 is Grow, Nourish and Sustain. 17th October celebrated as International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. Theme of 2020 International Day for Poverty is acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all citizens. 20th October celebrated as World Statistics Day. Theme of 2020 World Statistics Day is Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust. This theme reflects the importance of trust, authorize and data to the statistical system. Now we will discuss about national news. Parliamentary panel on IT to look into TRP manipulation. TRP means television rating points. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, chaired by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, discussed about the reports of manipulation on TRP. JSI, Geological Survey of India, and BSI, Botanical Survey of India, released about the animal and plant discoveries in 2019. They published their animal and plant discovery 2019 that have listed 364 new species of animal and 180 species of plants. Government job interviews abolished in 23 states and 8 union territories. Union Minister Jitendra Singh said that interview for recruitment in government jobs has been abolished. This is a follow-up to the interview for Group D and Group C post in central government jobs. On the occasion of World Migratory Bird Day, experts discussed about the shrinking space for the flamingos birds. They have reported that these birds are getting vulnerable as the space for them in India is shrinking. Delhi government passed the tree transplantation policy for the preservation of trees in the capital Delhi. A minimum of 80% of trees affected by development or construction of projects, so that will be transplanted by this policy. 8 beaches in India awarded Blue Flag certification. These 8 beaches are Shivrajpur from Gujarat, Ghogra from Diu, Pudrubit from Karnataka, Kapad from Kerala, Rishikonda from Andhra Pradesh and golden beach of Puri from Odisha. Delhi government expanded battery operated vehicles from road tax on this electronic vehicle policy. The Transport Department stated that the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi expanded the tax upon all battery electric vehicles. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released 100 rupees of special commemorative coin to honor Vijay Raje Scindia, who is popularly known as Rajmata of Gwalior and also a prominent Indian politician. She was always connected and committed to public services. Narendra Modi commented on his speech that Rajmata had dedicated herself for the future of the nation. Kerala became the first digital state in public education. The Kerala government announced to have shifted the entire state public education to digital platform and high-tech classrooms in all its public schools. Rashtriya Kamadhenu Ayog started Kamadhenu Deepavali Abhijan. It is a nationwide campaign to celebrate the Abhijan to promoting extensive use of cow dung or Panchagavya products, that is in Diwali festival. Next, Tech for Tribals. It's an initiative launched by TriFed, IIT Kanpur and Chhattisgarh MFP Federation. This connected to Tech for Tribals in collaboration with the Ministry of MSE, Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises. Subsidy on transportation of fruits and vegetables through Kisan Rail trains extended by 50%. Ministry of Railway and Ministry of Food Processing Industries decided to raise 50% of subsidy on transportation fruits and vegetables. Atal Innovation Mission AIM partners with CGI, that is Computer Generated Imagery, to promote innovation among school students. AIM partners with Niti Aayog has signed a statement of intent to promote the school students. Amendment to the Gujarat Disturbed Area Act get the President Ramnath Kovind's assent. Under the Disturbed Area Act, a district collector can notify an area as a disturbed area as the collector's notification. 75 rupees commemorative coins to be released in India to mark the 75th anniversary of FAO, that is Food Agriculture Organization, whose headquarters in Rome. The newly released coin marks the long-lasting relation of India with FAO. Intellectual Property India Annual Report released by Government of India. Chandigarh University, that is Chauran, topped in the listing among all universities of India. Cabinet approved the STARS project for the 6 states, special package for the Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. The STARS project seeks support the states in developing and implementing the intervention with direct linkage to improved education outcome in schools. Ministry of MSE means Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises introduce artificial intelligence and machine learning tools to strengthen Champion portal. It is a tool that is provide effective assistance and solution to the issue of MSME. India to slip below Bangladesh in per capita GDP in 2020. Gross domestic product slips in India since 1990. UP CM Adityanath launches Haath Dhona Roke Corona on Global Hand Washing Day. Yogi Adityanath stressed the common habits of personal hygiene like washing hands can keep coronavirus infection away. Scale India Android app launched by LSSC, that is Leather Sector Skill Council. This app launched the skills certification assessment for leather employees to provide single platform to integrate quality class assurance across all its service. Next, 14th session of Food and Agri Week 2020 held. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, that is Narendra Singh Tomar, inaugurated this Food and Agri Week. This Food and Agri Week organized from 16th October to 20th October. Lancet study about that life expectancy in India increased from 59% to 70.8%. A year ahead targeted set by World Health Organization, Dr. Harshavardhan stated that the life expectancy in India increased from 59 years to 70 years. Mission Shakti launched by Uttar Pradesh government. It is a campaign which intends to create awareness about the women empowerment in the state UP. ADB, Asian Development Bank, whose headquarters in Manila, approved that $177 million loan for the Maharashtra road improvement. It is a loan to upgrade 450 kilometers of state highway and major district roads in Maharashtra. India's first ever multimodal logistic park to be set up in Assam. Union Minister for Road and Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari laid the foundation of MMLP, that is Multi-Modal Logistic Hub at Jogikhopa in Assam State. Ministry of Tourism has released Indian tourist statistic. It is the list of most popular states for the domestic tourism. Central government increased the election campaign expenditure limit of the candidate by 10%. For example, assembly election, it has been hiked from 28 lakh to 30 lakh rupees. NGT, National Green Tribunal, granted to the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project in the state of Telangana. Now come to the point, international news. FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force, Asia Pacific Group seeks Pakistan on the enhanced follow-up list. FATF is a global money laundering and terrorist financing watchdog that keep eye on all the countries in this group. USA calls for expansion of Quad. Quad is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. It is a forum between USA, Japan, Australia and India. Bangladesh Cabinet approves capital punishment for the rape cases. If a man accused in a rape, he have to punished with both capital and jail punishment. Fifth meeting of India and Mexico bilateral high group of trade was held. The meeting was co-chaired by the Commerce Secretary of Government of India. Suraksha Kavach is a joint anti-terrorist exercise by Army and Police. Aim of this exercise was to harmonize the drills and procedure of both Army and Police. Pakistan re-elected to UAE Human Rights Council. India joined the UK-led campaign against encrypted social media messages as like Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, Twitter, etc. WMO, that is World Meteorological Organization, released 2020 State of Climate Service Report. US FDA, that is USA Food and Drug Administration, approved the first treatment for the Ebola virus. India and France get re-elected in ISA, that is International Solar Alliance. Inter-ministerial meet held with the FSSI to achieve Vision 2050. FSSI, that is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Israel Parliament approves historic peace deal with UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. The Israel Parliament named Knesset approved the historic peace deal. India and Chile holds first joint commission meeting. This is co-chaired by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. This is the first India-Chile joint commission meeting held in October. Global Hunger Index 2020 report released, and India ranked in 9th in position around 102 countries. The 7th meeting of Minister of Justice Summit of SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation of Organization. The 7th meeting of Minister of Justice Summit of SCO, Shanghai Cooperation of Organization, held in October. India and Sri Lanka navies to begin exercise SLINX. This exercise is being conducted in the non-contact at sea only format in the backdrop of COVID-19 pandemic. Philippines to restart oil and gas exploration in South China Sea. Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina invited PM Modi to join celebration of 50 years of Bangladesh independence. Israel and Bahrain signed an agreement at the Manama to establish diplomatic ties. It is a free trade agreement that is signed between these two countries. Japan and Vietnam agreement held in October. It is a free trade agreement with Vietnam and having negotiating rounds had been held. Now come to the point defense. E-Sanjeevani initiative awarded with 5 lakh of consolidations. Kilo class submarine INS, that is named Sindhuvir, India will deliver it to the Myanmar. It is the first submarine of the neighboring countries. India-Kazakhstan Defense Corporation Expo held in October. Bepi-Colomb spacecraft has crossed its Venus in its journey towards Bepi-Colomb is a joint mission of the European Space Agency and Japan Aerospace Agency. Naval version of BrahMos missile test fired from INS Chennai. Australian Navy to participate in Malabar 2020 exercise. It is a naval exercise between USA, Japan, Australia and India. India successfully test fired SAN missile. SAN means Standoff Anti-Tank Missile. It is test fired off from the coast of Odisha and developed by DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. Rafael Nadal, who is a Spanish tennis player, wins 13th French Open men's single title. Nozomat Okura, who is Japanese badminton player, won women's single title at Denmark Open. Now we will discuss about some science and technology topics. Health Ministry to roll out Bellwether pepper strip to test coronavirus. The Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, has issued that Feluda pepper strip. According to Oxfam report, India's health budget is the fourth lowest in the country. According to the study, India spent 4% of budget in health with a rank 129 out of 158 countries. Intel and Telangana government to launch Applied Artificial Intelligence Research Center in Telangana. Russia approved second COVID-19 vaccine, that is Feedback, that is FPIBX, Feedback Corona, after the first vaccine Sputnik 5. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.